Hi everyone, once again you're welcome in my YouTube channel. This is Sam going in front of you. I'm from Jharkhand. So I want to share with you how can you speak English, what kinds of method you should apply. So what things I apply, everything I want to tell you in this video in short way and also in fast way. So you have to do everyday speaking practice. Before at first time I tried to speak because I wanted to learn this language. That's why I thought that I should practice like speaking. That whatever I knew that time I tried to speak. So in this time I able to speak because of practicing. I listen. Then after I started listening cartoons in English, any kinds of video I started watching only English. Then after I practice speaking, two things every day I'm doing, listening and speaking practice. If you want to become a good speaker of English, then you have to do this thing. Then after you can do, there are many kinds of technique you can apply like shadowing practice, means whatever you English content you watch and observe whatever you know, then you have to speak that line, you have to repeat. You can do also mirror technique, means before any mirror you have to speak. Whatever your mind is going on, you try to speak. And also one thing I wanted here add means if you are going anywhere, then whatever you observe, so you have to speak pure lines. Also in this time also I want to add some new line, means think in English. Whenever you sit anywhere, then try to think in English. Yes, this thing I have to speak this like this. If you do this kind of practice, definitely you can learn this language. It's not so hard. It depends on your practice. If you have lots of time, then you have to do many things you can do. If you have a short time, then you have to listen and speak. But I would say that you must listen and speak. If you do things, if you do in your life, definitely you can learn this language. It's not so hard. You have to be continue. I have been learning this language last 13 years. I started only listening and speaking. Two things I am doing. So this thing is in my side. If you want to learn this language, definitely you have to do this thing. Definitely you can speak English fluently and boldly. Definitely your English will be better. Okay, I'll meet you in another video. Till now, bye.